Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Hit subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and today we're going to be changing out the rear windshield wiper blade on my Audi Q5. We'll get started here in just a moment. Alright, so you shouldn't need any tools for this DIY. Again, this is going to be the Audi Q5. Mine right here is going to be a 2018. No tools needed. This is going to be the 15-inch version right here. Let me just go put this somewhere. Alright. Pull this off. Comes right off like that. Put it somewhere safe. Flip this up. Now right here, you're just going to kind of give it a tug that way. Actually, I might have to put the phone down. Alright, yeah, just give it a tug. Pushing it outward. There it is. Super easy. Now go ahead and get your replacement part. Do the exact same thing in reverse. That's it. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one.